Welcome to Great Garden. You may not know this, but chemical fertilizers are not always the best choice for orchids. In today's video, I will share with you a completely natural orchid care method using simple ingredients that are easy to find in every kitchen. When applied correctly, you will soon notice clear improvements. New roots grow vigorously, becoming plump and white and firmly attaching to the growing medium. Leaves become thicker, deep green, and glossy, with wrinkling and dullness greatly reduced. Flower spikes extend longer, with large, evenly formed buds, signaling that a vibrant blooming season is just around the corner. If you want your orchid garden to always be full of vitality, don't miss this video. Now, let's get started. And this is a sprouted potato. Sprouted potatoes cannot be eaten because they contain the toxin solanine, which is harmful to human health. However, they are rich in enzymes and nutrients and contain plenty of starch, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and minerals that provide energy for plants. Next, I will peel the potato. Potato skins are rich in vitamin C and potassium, which help orchid leaves recover quickly and become greener and healthier, while also helping to repel insects and reduce plant diseases. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, I cut the potato skins into small pieces. This helps break down the outer structure, making it easier for the vitamins and minerals inside to be released into the water during soaking. As a result, the solution becomes richer in nutrients, allowing the plant to absorb them quickly, which helps the orchid leaves recover well, stay green and healthy, and naturally boost their resistance. The next step, I put all the chopped potato skins into a clean glass cup. Finally, add 500 milliliters of boiling water. The hot water helps the potato skins quickly release their vitamins, minerals, and natural starch into the solution, making the nutrients dissolve better, which in turn allows the plant to absorb them more easily and grow. Cover the cup and let the solution sit for 1 hour. At the same time, I use garlic as the next ingredient. Garlic contains allicin along with many vitamins and minerals, which have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps reduce pests, repel insects, boost the plant's immunity, and support healthier and more stable orchid growth. Here, I use 3 cloves of garlic as shown in the video. First, peel off the garlic completely without using the skins. We only use the inner cloves because they contain most of the natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, which help suppress pathogens, boost immunity, and support healthier plant growth. I slice the garlic cloves into thin pieces as shown in the video. Then continue to finely chop them so that the allicin in the garlic can be fully extracted. The next step, I put all the finely chopped garlic into a clean glass cup. Using a glass cup ensures safety, prevents reactions with the compounds in the garlic, and preserves the natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, I add 500 milliliters of hot water to mix with the finely chopped garlic. Next, stir well to release the compounds from the garlic. This helps maximize the release of natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds like allicin. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution sit for 1 hour. While waiting, we proceed to rinse the plants. This step is very important as it helps wake up the roots and prepare them for effective nutrient absorption. The layer of clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt residues and dirt, and creates a well-ventilated environment for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients. At the same time, the root tips are activated and the roots expand, increasing their ability to transport water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the plant absorbs nutrients quickly and evenly, avoiding fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant to prepare for applying the organic fertilizer. After letting it sit for 1 hour, I strain out all the potato skins, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid full of vitamins and minerals. This is the main solution that we will use. At the same time, I strain out the garlic solids, keeping only the extracted liquid containing the natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, making it easier for the plant to absorb and safer to use. So, the organic solution made from potato skins and garlic is now ready. Now, let's start watering the plants in the garden. Method 1. First, I will pour the diluted potato skin and garlic solution into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid so that the solution gradually seeps into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. The potato skins provide starch, vitamins, and minerals, helping young roots grow strong, recover quickly, and enhance nutrient absorption. The garlic adds natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, protecting the roots, reducing root rot and the risk of fungal diseases, while supporting stable plant growth. You should water once a week. Once the plant is healthy and stable, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain balanced nutrition and support sustainable orchid growth. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared onion peel and garlic solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad lightly soaked in the solution to gently wipe each leaf. First, I will clean the leaves of the orchid. The onion peel solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup on the leaf surface, while also providing antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help the leaves recover quickly, become greener and healthier, and improve photosynthesis efficiency. Garlic, with its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helps reduce bacteria and fungal diseases on the leaves, boosts resistance, and keeps the plant healthy. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly into the leaf tissue. Doing this 1 to 2 times per week will help keep the leaves clean and healthy, allowing efficient nutrient absorption without causing waterlogging or damage to the plant. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and proceed to mist spray. Mist spraying helps the natural nutrients from onion peels, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, combined with garlic's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, spread evenly over the entire plant. As a result, the plant receives gentle nourishment while also forming a natural protective layer that helps reduce harmful bacteria, mold, and pests. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the leaves and roots to absorb the nutrients. If there is still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, reducing the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. After 2 months, you will see very clear changes. Many new roots begin to grow, with plump, bright green root tips, showing that the plant is absorbing nutrients from the potato skins and garlic very well and is recovering strongly. A healthy root system is the foundation for stable and sustainable orchid growth in the seasons to come. The orchid leaves turn a deeper green with a smooth, glossy surface and greater thickness. When touched, they feel firm and elastic, signs that the plant is vigorous and thriving. In some pots, new flower spikes start to appear and grow noticeably taller, proving that the plant has stabilized and is ready for a vibrant blooming season. Each blooming flower is not only a natural beauty, but also a reward for your patience and love for your garden. This gentle care method using potato skins and garlic not only helps orchids grow healthy, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.